Hello everyone, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel. Mel, what happened to your hands?
Well, I didn't ask my parents for permission.
Oh no,
Yeah.
Did you not get some adults' help?
No, I didn't.
Oh no. Well, this is a reminder for all of our friends at home. It's very important to get permission before you start any of our activities.
But this will happen.
Especially this activity, because we're going to use some very hot water.
Okay.
We are going to make an imploding water bottle.
Okay.
So what you'll need is a plastic empty water bottle, and it's very important it has a lid with no holes in it. I know sometimes we put holes in things for different activities, but no holes for this one. We'll need a bucket. This is just to pour our extra hot water when we're done with it into.
Okay.
We will need a funnel. I think you have a funnel, Mel.
I do have a funnel. Will this work?
That will work perfectly, and I've got some very hot water. Okay?
Uh-oh.
So we are going to pour some hot water in here. I'm going to put the lid on. We're going to shake it up real quick, take the lid off, dump out the hot water, and then put the lid back on real quick. And we're going to see what happens, okay?
So I put the funnel in here?
Yep, so go ahead and put the funnel in. I'm going to pour some hot water in here.
Okay.
And we're going to watch all of our fingers. And you don't need a lot. You need maybe a couple tablespoons. That is plenty, so you can go ahead and move our funnel. And I'm telling you, just from what I felt,
Look.
that
looks
water
really hot. It looks
is
really hot.
pretty hot. Get that.
I don't want to burn my hands.
Okay, and now even that bottle is still pretty hot, so we're gonna watch what
Ooh,
happens.
Look at what's happening.
I can even hear what's happening.
It's getting skinnier.
It's getting skinnier. It's imploding. So an explosion
Imploding.
goes out, an implosion goes in this case. So why do you think this works, Mel?
Maybe it's the steam that's in here?
Well, we can definitely see some steam, so something's happening. Do you think it would work if we used cold water
Maybe.
or room temperature water?
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Well,
Not
that's
sure.
what we're thinking. I definitely think you're right. It has something to do with the steam and maybe that temperature change.
Could be.
What do you guys think? Leave your comments below, and we'd love to hear your suggestions and also your ideas. And who knows, maybe we'll even do one of your ideas the next time here on Hands on Science. If you liked this video and this activity, please give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time right here where we're always looking for something to do. Bye, guys.